Hi everybody, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we have brought something very exciting for you all. I am very excited to unbox this newly launched CISCO 9124AXI Wi-Fi. I hope you guys are too. So let's dig in and see how does it look and know more about its functionalities. And there we go. You can just see my excitement to unbox this newly launched CISCO 9124AXI. I'm just naming it again and again. So, there it is. Okay. So this is newly launched CISCO 9124AXI, and this is making quite a lot of buzzes all around the corner. All tech people and IT people are intrigued about this, and you know why? Because it has splendid benefits with it. So CISCO 9124AXI comes with very extensive and marvelous benefits. It is the perfect and the most reliable choice for your outdoor Wi-Fi. You know, it comes with an enhanced speed of network than your usual Wi-Fi routers, which are you using currently for your outdoor network. So in the last, I would like to say CISCO 9124AXI is the most reliable and the best option for your outdoor Wi-Fi needs. For more tech and IT related insights, subscribe to our channel.